Good morning, this is Bo from Montgomery Micros, and we got a special surprise today. We're going to a technology hoarder house, as I call it, that is 3 bedrooms of nothing but Apple equipment. And we're about to go check it out. We got to help this guy get it sold. So we have a couple of computers we need to go through and get ready to be sold. So when I say a couple, I mean John's back. Hey. We've got a whole closet over here. Not sure of the condition of any of these. And we have more over here. And we have all these in here. So we have our work cut out for us. And everything's going to be moved out of here and put into climate-controlled storage. And once that happens, we'll have a better inventory of stuff for sale. And Patreon subscribers will get the first true list of the first pick of stuff that we offer for sale. And I'm not sure exactly when that will be. There's a little more in here than I had anticipated. So, anyway, stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe on Patreon. And let's help this man give these computers decent homes and not end up in a trash pile. PowerBook 140. Where's the power button on these things? It's been so long since I've seen one like this. That's for height adjustment.
Oh, is this it?
I thought they were powered on by the keyboard. I thought it was soft power on.
Oh.
Could be wrong. No, John, you were right. The power button, I think that is it. There we go. Hard drive still sounds alive.
Yeah.
The screen looks like it's in good shape.
Yeah.
I thought I heard it chime a second ago. All right, John, do the honor. See if we can get this 150 to come on. Yeah, I have no idea what the caps are in these models. When I plugged it in, the screen flashed for a second. Yeah, again, it could be... There's a 45-watt power supply hooked up to it. I don't know what... I haven't done enough research to see if there has to be some kind of battery to buffer the electrical system, like in a car, or what. Oh, well. We'll just keep going, and we'll find one that works here, hopefully. Yeah. And this poor 180C is plagued by that screen problem. And this one ain't going to come on either. Again, as I keep saying, I have not done any research on these, and there might be a trick to getting them to come up. And we still have a long way to go.
Yes.
I knew we'd have some success. Here's a 180. The mouse probably needs some cleaning. Sounds like the hard drive is no good. Let's put a... Let's see if we can get this one to boot from a floppy. Oh.
That didn't sound good.
Didn't like that disc. I don't know if it's bootable though or not. But hey, I knew out of the lot there's going to be some that are good. Put a blue SCSI in here or something. Some kind of modern SD adapter. And I'm sure this will be a good toy for someone. It may be me. All right, John. Let's see if this 160 will power up. Well, that's a good sign, too. Once again, I don't hear a hard drive, which is, you know, not unexpected. I think the movers are here. There goes the hard drive. Hard drive's trying. Oh, well. Once upon a time in the 90s, John ran one of the early dial-up ISPs out of Montgomery, and it looks like there's remnants of it. Oh. So everything is now being moved. All the computers in here are now gone, but this is why you must get rid of your batteries. These were in computers not too long ago, and from the time we pulled them out, over a few months, they battery bombed. So folks, get these out of your computers. All right, well, that's our first look, and as stuff comes around, we will go through everything and document machine by machine what's working and what is not. Peter Norton says, "Have a good day."